Right, let's see what's turned up this morning in post. I believe these are going to be the iPhone jig. I've had to order them. I used to use a Vice, but I've stopped using that now. I thought I'd probably get the proper stuff. So let's do a quick unboxing of those and see what they are. Hope I don't slip my fingers. Bought them from AliExpress. That is the A22 Plus, and that's for iPhone 5C, 5S, 5G, 6G. So iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, iPhone SE, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, and the XR. What do I have here? Right, okay, so this is what it looks like. Oof, this is good. This feels good. Solid. Let's see how this works. So you're locking the board with this. These are the extra clip to hold onto the PCB basically. Right, okay. Brilliant. Brilliant. Right, okay. So let's put this back. I can go in the bin. And then this one is more for the iPhone, if I'm not mistaken. This is for the iPhone X series. Solid steel back. Interesting. There's a thermal pad here, so I'm assuming that when you're putting it on and you reflowing it, the excess heat dissipation from a particular component will be on the back plate going through onto the main back plate. I think that's what it's for. I'm not quite sure, but assuming that they're there for a purpose. So yep, nice, brilliant. When did I order it? Let's these I'm going to check that these are the I believe it's the reballing stencils for the iPhone XS, and let's see what the other ones are. I will have a quick look at the date when I ordered it through AliExpress. Right, so there's a few here. So there's iPhone and then iPhone XS. There's two, and I'm assuming that these are going to be again reballing stencils for whatever. It doesn't say what it is for, unfortunately, but when I come around the job I will certainly find out what these are for. Okay, so keep them nice and safe. I'm not happy with this packet, so I'll probably find a bigger packet. I do have bigger packets there, so I'll put that in, no problem. No big deal with that at the moment. But yeah, it does say iPhone X and XS Max, so, and just a UD16 model. Right, okay, so that's all all you're going to see today. I'm excited to work with this jig because, as I said, I was using this and it worked brilliantly. I'll show it you very quickly. Oops, nearly knocked the camera off. I was using a little bench vise, one of them. Just hold the PCB and then just do. But the trouble is that when you're working under microscope, you can't do that. You can't. Look, I don't know if you can grasp what I'm doing here. Look, it's just too high. You can't do it. It's impossible. So for that reason, I needed something flat so I can work under the microscope peacefully and get the job done pretty quick. Right, well, that's all for the unboxing. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.